Hello again, part 2, TENGDA AMP2100. Today it's the day. All I have to do now is to find me some resistors, something like this, improvised resistors, 6.6 ohms, perfect. And the other one, this is like 9. Okay, doesn't really matter. Around 8 ohms for the output. Here I have my power supply, which by the way is not so high voltage. I have a maximum of differential 18 volts, but that should be more than enough for this experiment. Okay, 20 volts, almost 20 volts, 19.8, perfect, like 50 watts of power supply. That's more than enough for a test. In the pamphlet they are saying the power supply should be 21 volts minimum. Let's try with 20, okay? Something else, very important. Let's check for short. You see, we have a rectifier here, so I will connect the power supply before the rectifier. We are good. Ground to output. We are perfect here. Let's check the power rails. First capacitor, second capacitor. We are good. So this is the first attempt. Like I said, I need some wires for the resistor here. You see, it's an improvisation, so I can use this one like a common ground for the output. Okay, that's the ground. And then we need some other two for the resistor, the other side of resistors. I can use this piece of cable. If it proves working, then I'll do a proper install with a proper power supply and probably a case later on. What? Okay, so you are out of here. Okay. So I know it should be better, but it's just a quick test. So for now, it's more than enough. Okay, this is the ground from the power supply, which goes with the loudspeaker's output. This is the ground. And here we have one side of the output, Let's check that again. 7.5 ohms, 12 ohms. That's fine. Even better. We don't push too much. Okay, this is in the air. This doesn't really matter which is plus or minus, because anyway we have a rectifier here and the path will go into the right way. The voltage will follow the path through the rectifier. Okay, you should go back here. Well, people, we are ready to go. Let me have the power on. Very low voltage and growing. Okay, we have an LED there already. And we have 20 volts. So far, so good. Feels like not bad. The LED is still on after such a long period. That means the standby current is very okay. So now I have my ammeter in series with the ground. Power on. Voltage up. We are very good. 0.0. That means 40 milliamps. Yes, people. Well, it feels like working. How can we see that? I need two pieces of wire and I will plug in a little loudspeaker. Okay. And another piece of wire. Ground and channel 1. Power on. Old habit. It's working, people. Okay, channel 1, channel 2. Nothing. Well, I'm not sure if I did something wrong there, but one of the channels is not working. Is this a matter of, I don't know, connection, or it's a matter of no. Okay, so finally I may say one of the channels is working. Shouldn't be a big problem. Okay, power on. Nothing. Very quiet. Well, it's pretty powerful, you know, it's taking a lot of power here, by the way. But now, let's try to see what's happening and which of the transistors have the power, or what's happening there. Okay, so this one it's working, which goes to this capacitor here. So probably are these two guys here do the job. Voltages, we are ground 18, we got there, minus 18. What about these guys? Minus 18. Okay, so we got the power here. Plus 18, plus 18. Okay, so these are similar. This is okay. Funny. Any voltage output here? 0.9. It's in the air. Okay, how can we do this? I don't think it's really worth it. So I just let that in the air and I'll do a test to the other channel. A proper test, but this will be in the episode number 3 with a proper power supply and heat sink and signal input output. The point is that one channel it's working, another one it's absolutely out of anything. What we can do for now is just to apply a little signal. Yeah, we can do that. So it's very possible one of the, okay, I need a cable. There we go. Specifications are pretty messed up. Some sources are saying we need 1.5 volts to apply the input. Some others ask for 50 millivolts. But let me have just a little bit of, how can I do that? I need a wire. Okay, let's go the other side. Where is the ground? So here we have the ground. So far so good. Well, let me try to push it the other channel, but I'm sure it's not working. No way. We got nothing there. No chance. No. Nothing. I can hear something. No. Nothing. Nada. So probably it's something, you know, internal. It's something internal here. Okay, that's it for now. I have to prepare another setup with a real power supply this time, with a real input, and then we'll talk about results, you know, output, power, and all this stuff. I hope it's useful. Please like, please subscribe, please comment, don't forget to write, and of course have some fun. Don't burn your house. Bye bye.